If you want to learn about taking the Microsoft Azure Fundamentals AZ-900 certification and pass your exam first try, but you are not sure whether it actually helps you work in real cloud job environments, or just explains theory, this video will help you decide in the next few minutes. These skills are commonly used in cloud operations teams, its support environments, virtualization systems, and infrastructure workflows across modern organizations. In this video, I will explain what skills you learn, who this certificate is for, how it supports careers, and how learning with this learning resource can make you pass your exam first try. The course we are discussing is the Microsoft Azure Fundamentals AZ-900 Exam Prep Specialization, available on Coursera and created by Microsoft. This specialization helps beginners understand how Microsoft Azure works inside real organizations instead of only memorizing cloud definitions. You learn how businesses use virtual machines, networking, storage, security, governance, and cloud deployment systems in practical environments. After completing this certificate, you will be able to understand core Azure cloud concepts, work with Azure virtual machines and networking basics, understand cloud security and governance concepts, prepare confidently for the AZ-900 certification exam. One important question many learners ask is whether this certificate is enough to start a career pathway, or whether it works better as a supporting specialization. I will suggest that learning with this learning resource for it will help you pass your exam first try. Career pathways supported by this course include Cloud Support Associate, Junior Cloud Administrator, it supports Specialist, Azure Operations Associate, Infrastructure Support Technician. This program focuses specifically on foundational Microsoft Azure cloud concepts, rather than deeper cloud engineering or DevOps learning pathways. Structured learning like this is usually more effective than relying on scattered tutorials, because workplace skills depend on understanding how tools connect together rather than learning them separately. In a moment, I'll explain who benefits the most from this certificate, and whether beginners should start with it first. Another useful part of this specialization is the exam preparation structure. The program includes revision modules, practice preparation, and cloud scenario exercises designed around realistic environments. This course is especially useful for beginners entering cloud computing for the first time. It works well for its support learners, networking students, system administration beginners, and professionals moving toward cloud-related roles. However, if you already work deeply with advanced cloud infrastructure or automation systems, this program may feel too foundational for your current level. The expected career impact is stronger entry-level cloud credibility and better understanding of Azure systems used in modern organizations. From a salary relevance perspective, cloud computing continues to remain one of the strongest hiring areas in it, because many companies are actively moving infrastructure toward platforms like Microsoft Azure. The required skill level is beginner level. Basic computer knowledge is enough to start. For most learners, around 4 to 6 hours weekly is usually manageable, depending on prior experience and study pace. Overall, learning with this certificate is especially useful for learners preparing to move toward cloud support and Azure infrastructure roles by making you pass your exam first try. You can find the official link in the description if you want to explore the full syllabus, learning schedule, and certification details before enrolling. Take care and subscribe to keep learning. See you in another video.